High quality photos are the #1 thing you need for your graphics. If you start with crap, you're gonna end with crap. So let me show you how to not start with crap by finding high quality photos online. Super easy to do. You're gonna open up Google. You're gonna type in Gibran Lames. We're gonna go to images. You're gonna click tools. You're gonna go to size and click large. Just kidding. You're gonna go to advanced search, go to image size, pick anything larger than 8 megapixels. I always like to have one close-up shot of the athlete because as great as it is to have high detail shots like this of a full body, you can't appreciate the high detail as much as you can in a shot like this, where it's really close up and you really get the details of, you know, sweat beads, hair, wrinkles, old man. This is where you start. Right click the image, save the image, or just copy the image, put it in Photoshop, bang bang. Watch this next video to see how I edit those high quality images to look the best.